December's frost on Halifax town, 1917. War in Europe, trade ships crowding the scene. The narrows of the harbor, channel tight and gray, the Mont-Blanc from New York inching on its way. In a belly picric acid TNT benzol load, a city's worth of fury down the wartime road. The Norwegian Imo relief ship running late in the morning fog, both met their fate. A portside turn against the rule, a signal misunderstood, a grinding shriek of steel on steel when no such grinding should. The benzol barrels cracked and spilled, a spark took hungry flight, a fire on the water, floating bomb in the morning light. And the harbor held its breath, every soul on shore faced a floating death, a fire on the water, a floating bomb, and the harbor turned to light. At the Richmond railway yard, Vince Coleman saw the glow. He knew the 8:55 to Boston was set to go. He raced back to his Telegraph as flames climbed to the sky and tapped the warning that would never say goodbye. Hold up the train, ammunition ship, a fire will explode. Guess this will be my last message, his final code. He saved the inbound passengers from certain death that day, as the Mont-Blanc's fire burned the seconds away. The fire reached the forward hold, the sun seemed to grow, a white hot star where the harbor flowed. 2,300 tons of fury waiting for the spark. At 9:04 and 35 the morning turned to dark. And the harbor turned to light, a flash scene for 100 miles of night. The shockwave tore the earth, the sea, the sky apart. 1,782 stopped hard, and the harbor turned to light. 2 square miles vanished, glass became a storm. 9,000 wounded in a world reform. But from the south, a promise born, Boston's doctors on the very first morn. And the harbor turned to light, but from the ashes rose a different fight. Massachusetts General Nurses supplies on track, compassion's answer sending kindness back. We remember the blast and the hand stretched out when the harbor turned to light.